Now, as you can see, this clip is fully secured. It looks like this is a locking mechanism that's going to go through the bottom of the visor to lock it in place. Okay. Get the visor. Just going to slide it like so in place. There, it just slides perfectly in place like a glove. Literally, the entire installation process took me close to 5 minutes to install it. I don't know if you can tell. It looks like I'm cooking now, and I can feel all the excess exhaust that normally would be escaping. I can feel it going to the top of this vent here. This lid is going to be suctioned out. Definitely think this was a good investment. Microvisor. It's the box. Instructions, very simple to use instructions. I'm going to be using it, and I'm going to give a video update and tell you if it works. A few times my smoke detector was going off, which is the reason why I purchased this, because I think there's excess smoke when using the front burners. Front burners, which are larger, was providing a lot of exhaust, which was not being sucked up because the exhaust, the microwave vent is situated a little bit further back.